Good evening, folks. We are in Greenfields Colony nearby Dairy Farm, where in the background you can see Trinity is actually getting packed for the international trip to Bhutan, and we are pretty excited. All the bikes have been packed, and mine is actually getting late. So I just arrived, and firstly, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap up all the sensitive parts like the indicators, and then the floodlights and the headlight visor and everything with bubble wrap and all the stuff. Then put on cardboard and everything. Just gonna show you that. So as you can see in the background, Trinity is completely wrapped up in cardboard, bubble wrap, whatnot. Every inch of the bike has been properly wrapped up, just to be sure that, the vehicle would be safe, because Siliguri is like 2,600 kilometers from here. It's rainy weather. We are just worried that, there shouldn't be any damage to the bike. That's my primary concern and everything. But the way these guys have packed is seriously amazing. I'll put up the, the contact number for Vikas bhai. You can contact him if you want to, get your vehicles transported to anywhere. Seriously good service.